What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to another video of Robbie to Bobby. Today we have a special video for you guys. I did get approval from my work to take a video and film all of my repairs for replacing a clearance light on a Freightliner M2106 and a radiator. Unfortunately, I did get the approval after pulling the entire thing apart and swapping everything to the new radiator. So in this video, we're just going to be going over the install and just kind of doing a time lapse of everything that we did for the install. Leave a comment down below if you guys think we should start doing different Freightliner / truck repairs or anything like that. I know you guys really liked the Freightliner M2106 overview, just going over the whole truck that we have as a summit hauler on our lot. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Alright guys, hope you guys all enjoyed that just really quick time lapse of replacing the radiator. It's really hard to kind of get angles, especially trying to set up a big old tripod like this. I mean, with the legs and everything for a fluid head tripod, it's pretty hard, but we were using our Joby Flex Pod or whatever they would call it, with those flexible little ball things that help pivot and move and stuff like that. So we were able to use that to kind of get some little creative angles. You guys were sitting on a ladder for all those angles, which was pretty cool. But that's all we got for you guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, hit the like button, share the video with any of your friends who are looking to be a diesel technician, or just anyone who's looking to kind of get into the field or kind of get their hands dirty. It's really fun, it's really rewarding, and it gets messy, but I really enjoy it, and I want to allow you guys to experience that same feeling that I get on a day-to-day basis. So that's all I got for you guys. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.